Welcome to High-Speed, High-Definition Journey of the Brain, a place where architecture is complex, chemistry is electric, and wiring is doing something truly unique. Have you ever felt like your brain has 50 tabs open while trying to download a massive file? You're not alone. It all starts with the very building blocks of our gray matter. We're talking about cell adhesion molecule 1, which helps our neurons and dendrites stick together in just the right way. Sometimes, though, there's a little cell surface trafficking defection or a few single nucleotide polymorphisms in the blueprint. This can happen right back in the endoplasmic reticulum during synaptogenesis, affecting how proteins are distributed and how our brain cells communicate from day one. When we zoom out to the control room, we see a massive network involving the prefrontal cortex, the cingulate cortex, and the parietal temporal and occipital lobes. Sitting just about one spot is a whole brain experience. The prefrontal lobe is our executive suite, handling response inhibition, work memory, and planning. The attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, we often see fascinating variations in the lateral prefrontal cortex, the right inferior frontal cortex, and the left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. These areas are the master of shifting and attention, but they also play a huge role in how we process rewards. If these bilateral inferior prefrontal cortices are firing differently during memory tasks, it explains why just focusing feels like a Herculean feat. Our brain's geography is pretty wild. We have the neocortex for personality and emotional regulation, the motor cortex for movement, and the parietal lobe for spatial region recognition and object manipulation. Deep inside the hippocampus and olfactory cortex are busy with long-term memory and even a sense of smell. All of this is built during a spectacular process of cortical development. Starting with neural tube formation and neurogenesis, this is where radioglial cells in the germinal ventricular zone act like biological scaffolding, helping neurons migrate to their final homes. Of course, a high-performance brain needs top-tier security system, and that's the blood-brain barrier. This gatekeeper is made of endothelial cells, astrocytic envelope, and parasites, all held together by a microscopic velcro of tight junctions, claudins, and octins, designed to keep out bad stuff like amyloid beta or excessive reactive oxygen species. So from the interior medial prefrontal cortex down to the caudate nucleus and cerebellum, brain is a marvel of complex development and high-level neurocognitive function. A masterpiece of biological engineering that's always on.